Okay. Here are some mind-blowing facts about IKEA. IKEA is building its own city near London. It will contain shops, schools, theaters, hotels, and a flat housing for 6,000 people. IKEA sells 1 billion bookshelves every 10 seconds. It's the company's most popular product. It's the world's largest furniture retailer, founded in Sweden in 1943 by the 17-year-old Ingvar Kamprad, who was listed as one of the world's richest people in 2013. The company's name is an acronym that consists of the initials of Ingvar Kamprad, Elmtarid, the farm where he grew up, and Agunnaryd, his town in Småland in South Sweden. The estimated worth of IKEA's founder, Ingvar Kamprad, ranges from $3.3 billion to $53.1 billion, depending on whether IKEA is counted as owned by him or his foundation. There's actually a logic to IKEA's crazy product names, which is used instead of numbers, because the founder, Ingvar Kamprad, is dyslexic. Every year, IKEA delivers 800 million cubic feet of products, enough to fill more than 9,000 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Since 1987, IKEA sold 12.8 million mattresses in the UK, and by estimation, 1 in 5 children were conceived on IKEA mattress. IKEA's annual revenue is of $37.8 billion. It's larger than the GDP of Estonia.
Yeah. IKEA has acquired 26 acres of land in the neglected old factory district, Stratford East, East London, to build their own mini-city. This might be the first of many mini IKEA cities, since they, according to Der Spiegel, a German newspaper, plan to build a comparable site in Hamburg, Germany. It will consist of 7 quarters, including a commercial and a residential quarter, consisting of 1,200 homes. IKEA isn't the first company to get involved in the public sectors, since governments keen to save money endeavor to let companies take over the construction of public spaces. The aim of Strand East is to work in close dialogue with the city authorities to transform a near derelict industrial site into a sustainable waterside neighborhood, said Andrew Cobden from Landprop, who is the property arm of IKEA.
Stoppa där eller stoppa. Eller där. Där står det.